But more trouble brewing for Anil Ambani as ED is conducting raids, and this is at his Mumbai and Delhi premises that we are looking at. Vishwanath joins in with more details on this.
Right. So what we're learning from our sources at this point in time is that there are searches going on over 35 premises. There are 50 companies that are covered as part of these searches and 25 individuals who are being questioned as part of the search operations by the Enforcement Directorate. What we're learning is that about 3,000 crore worth of fund diversion linked to Yes Bank promoters is also part of the search and searches that ED is conducting. According to some preliminary findings of the Enforcement Directorate, the Yes Bank promoters had actually received money. This is back in 2017 and 2019, between that period of time when Rana Kapoor was the promoter of Yes Bank. At that point in time, the Yes Bank promoters had received certain money, a certain amount of money into their bank accounts right before a loan was sanctioned to Reliance Group companies, to all of the companies that are associated with Anil Ambani specifically. What our sources are also telling us is that SEBI, the markets regulator, has also shared information about certain misdeeds within Reliance Home Finance. It's a company which is part of the Anil Ambani group of companies, where, according to what our sources are telling us, there was a dramatic increase in the corporate loans given by Reliance Home Finance. That is also under scanner. Remember that this money has been diverted to other group companies, to shell companies, and thereby taken out of the system. Sources are saying that, according to the current findings of the Enforcement Directorate, it looks like this was a well-planned sort of a scheme by the Anil Ambani group of companies to move that money out. So there is a significant action by the Enforcement Directorate. You can tell by the scope of the action that they've taken. If you're raiding 35 premises or conducting search operations, conducting search operations at 35 premises and involving 25 people, then that's a significant action by the Enforcement Directorate. All of these actions are being undertaken under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, under which, of course, the ED operates currently.
Thank you so much, Vishy, for explaining that in such good detail. That's probably a developing story, and we'll keep you updated with what's happening ahead. But certainly, we're seeing that impact on Reliance Infra shares. The stock is locked in lower circuit. Let's try to pull that up. If it is in lower circuit, it's on the ticker right there. It's down almost 5% and locked in lower circuit as we speak. Shaina, if you've got the chance to take a look at what the update is, any quick view on how this will shape up, and your view on Reliance Infra as well?
See, normally I would avoid, any entry into any stocks, or I would exit any stocks which have this sort of negative news flow. Maybe valuations are not expensive, but you do not know how things will evolve. So I would just say avoid. And there are a lot of other sectors in the power sector, infrastructure, which you can look at. Something like an NCC you can look at to enter. I don't see any reason why you should, remain invested in a stock which has such a lot of negative news.